In this video, I want to reveal how exactly I made over $427,000 of profit online by posting simple content on Instagram. And just a couple of years ago, I was a broke student from an Eastern European country making just $4 online by creating posts for other creators. Yeah, not 40, not 400, just $4 a month. That's free and $1. But anyways, and now I want to show you how I've made over $427,000. And if you don't believe me, let me quickly open my payment processor, and as you can see, $427,000. And if I change it to the first couple of days of this month of May, you can see that I've made over $18,000 of profit. So yeah, sometimes we even make over $10,000 in a day. Not every day, but that's what can happen when you know the right strategy. So in this video, I will show how exactly I've done it and how I've grown my Instagram from basically having 0 followers just 1.5 years ago to having over 105,000 real followers in 2024 right now, right? And how exactly I've done it and how you can copy me to make money. So if you go on my Instagram and just scroll down and you see the first post, you will just cringe a lot, and I've made a lot of them archive. I have archived them because I was embarrassed of my first videos, and there are a lot of them that are still old that you can go and check it out, and you can see, for example, this is me, right, when I was younger, and this is when I traveled to Dubai with my family. But yeah, you can go and check out my Instagram to see that I've started from scratch, and yeah, I didn't start with a huge following or with anything. And in this video, I will just show you how I've done it. I will show the whole process, the website, the funnel, how I made the money, what I've sold, my product, my pitch, the strategy, the content, the frequency of uploads, what niche you can start. I will explain all of that step by step. And don't worry, I'm not going to sell you anything in this video. It's going to be completely for free, and just in return, I would ask you to just subscribe if it is available. If not, that's also fine. But now, let's quickly cover how you do that. So if you want to make money with Instagram, we need to understand that you need to do what? You need to post content, right? So you can do it with showing your face or without showing your face. It doesn't matter. But you need to either post reels, posts or stories, or all of them at the same time, right? That's very, very simple. So if you go and check out my Instagram, for example, you can see that today I've posted a story, right? So I've asked important question: how much money have you made online, right? And it's a poll, and over 2,000 people already almost saw this story, and the next story 1.5 thousand people already have seen it. And I basically tell them that I have a free community that they can join. So I posted a story, right? That generates me what? Generates me leads, people that are interested to join my community, right? So that's about the stories. Post is something like this, right? It can be a carousel, so it's basically written word and pictures, or you can upload a video, right? So this is a reel, this is a video, as an example. So these are the only 3 things that you can do to grow your Instagram. Nothing else. If you want to grow your Instagram, right, even if you buy paid promotions on others or whatever, your Instagram itself will not grow if you do not post reels, posts, or stories, and you will not nurture their audience, right? This is very, very important. So once you have reels, posts, and stories, here's the next step. This is so important that people only share this in their paid courses, but I will give it to you right now, hopefully that you can implement it, right? Is that all you really do from this point is you start getting traction, you start getting eyeballs, that's what I've been able to do, and you just get people to either DM you or to go to your website. That is all you do, right? And in the beginning, if you want to grow on your Instagram and you don't have a product, you can still tell people to DM you, and in DMs, you can sell them time with you. You can sell them consulting, right? So let's say you love cooking, or you love business, or you love entrepreneurship, or making money online, or growing, whatever it is, self-development, right? There's few things that you're better at than most people. So when you create content and you tell people, DM me for a free guide, DM me for this, for that, people DM you, even if you have no product, you have no course, no physical product, no digital product, you can still in the DMs ask people, hey, thank you for DM. What do you need help with? Oh, I need help with this receipt for my cooking, or I need help with my mindset, or I need help with my physique, whatever you are posting content about, right? And then you say, oh, do you think, what's the biggest thing you're struggling with? Oh, I struggle with procrastination. Oh, cool. Would you like to jump on a call with me so I can help you? They say yes, right? And so the people that say yes, they go on a call with you. And from this call, what you do, right? You basically sell them on your solution, right? So you can sell $50 per hour, $100, $1,000 per hour, right? Whatever is your rate that people are ready to pay you to help them, they pay you. Boom, you made money. This is as simple as it is. Or what you can do is you can create a product. So you can basically create a free PDF or free course with ChatGPT, spend a couple of hours trying to make sure it's good, and sell it for $10, $20, $30. Literally, people can send the money with you on PayPal, via Cash App, via a bank transfer, any way, cash. They can go and handle the money to you. You give them your product, your PDF, whatever that will help them, and you make money. This is exact process that helped me $427,000. And if you don't know what niche to pick, in my opinion, you should pick pick a niche based on two factors, right? This is so important that I don't want you to miss this. The two factors, in my opinion, that are really, really important are the following. The factor number one is, this is the second step, but there are two factors inside, right? So the factor number one that is very, very important is that there are other Instagram accounts that are getting views and are getting traction, right? So they are growing on Instagram. And the second criteria is that you should have a passion or interest, right? I will write passion about your niche, about your topic. Let me do like this. So this is what you need. And if you're watching this video and you are saying, oh, this is not as simple, I'm telling you, this is as simple. If you are in the motivation niche, or if you want to talk about mindset, or if you want to talk about like sports, anything, travel, anything that comes to your mind that you're passionate about, and there are other creators that are growing. So if you go to your Instagram, if you open Reels, you see a bunch of people going viral, right? So if you see travel content going viral, that means that you can do it too. If you see content about motivation going viral, then you can do it too. Doesn't matter. You see what's working well on Instagram, and number two, you follow your passion. You follow your curiosity. Because if you don't, you are going to quit. So you need to pick something that you like, so you will like doing that, and you will stay consistent, and you will be able to easily create content because you love that topic and you love that area, right? And you love that niche, basically. So that is exactly what you are doing. You figured out your niche, which is what works on Instagram. And if you are not sure, you can comment down below. I will answer you if I think it's a good niche for Instagram or not. And you combine it with your passion and you start. For me, what I've done to make $400,000, I started talking about YouTube, growing on social media platform, making money, productivity, mindset, self-development, all etc, right? So these are the things that I was interested in, so I started talking about this, right? And guess what? My content, my Instagram grew, right? Sometimes we got just few thousand views on a video, which we still makes us thousands of dollars per month because it's a mature audience, and sometimes we can get 3 million views or 2 million views, right? Or we have also reels that get like 200,000 views, 15,000 views, as you can see. So that's basically what we are doing. Now, you can say, okay, Howard, I get it, that's cool. You post content, reels, post stories, right? And about the topic you're interested in, and then you send people DMs on the websites, and then you make a sell. But it's not as simple, right? And it is simple, but I will tell you one pro strategy that everyone right now is using on Instagram that made me probably the half of this $400,000 came from that. And that is using this tool called ManyChat, and I will tell you how you can use it. It is very simple, don't worry. But all you are doing, when you post content, right, doesn't matter. Let's say you start into self-development niches as I've done, for the sake of example, right? You start posting content like this, for example. And my this reel got over 6,000 likes, and it got 330,000 views by a simple video. Like, as you can see, at this time I didn't even buy this apartment. This was my parents' house. So I was just from that house, recorded myself, right? Recorded some footage. We edited it, which took like an hour, and I posted this video. And what I'm doing is I'm saying, if you want to get access to my stuff, which in this case was growing on YouTube, comment keyword, comment the word me down below, right? Whatever it is, comment YouTube, comment video, comment me, comment access, comment a training, comment free, comment gift, whatever word you want, you tell them to comment that. And then you go to his software, which is called ManyChat.com, right? And you can start for free there. And you basically just click create automation, and you say, when a user replies to my story or replies to my content, right, respond them to this automatic message. For example, right now I've set it up that people that will comment me, or people that will comment, let's say, on my yesterday's story, they will comment join, right? So I made a story. I said, if you want to get access to my free community or to my free course, or DM me or whatever, DM me the word join. And I went to ManyChat and I said, if someone comments join on my story, send them, hi, thanks for your message, apply to join for free here, and it automatically sends the link to join your free community, to join your free course, to book a call with you, whatever. So that's what you are doing. And as you can see already, how many people clicked? 371 people saw this, and 237 people already clicked on this. So imagine how much time it would have taken me if I were to respond to hundreds of people. But with this software, I create content about topic I'm passionate about. People comment on reel under the post. ManyChat automatically sends them the link, and you make money, right? So you can create a PDF with ChatGPT, and you can just send them to the PDF, make money, right? Say in your content, if you want to get access to my PDF, to my course, to my ebook, to my training, to my one-on-one consultation, to my receipt, whatever it is, to my physical product, to my hat, to my affiliate marketing, whatever it is, right? You send them, hey, comment, and you will get access to it. And ManyChat, you set that with ManyChat, which takes literally 2 minutes, guys, and it will be sent automatically, right? And I can show you on a practical example on my Instagram. If I open it up, right, and if I go to messages, you will see that we got how many messages? I am not even sure. So probably tens of thousands of messages so far. And most of them were answered by ManyChat. And sometimes I also, myself, I go and answer to people. And I also have people with my team that when I started making money, I heard someone, now they also answer on my behalf, right? So if someone sees my content, they like me, they want to work with me, they want my help, they want advice or whatever it is, right? They DM me, I tell them, hey, what do you want to help with? And if they need some help with something that I can help them, I just sell them on the solution and I make money. So as you can see, all of this, right? Hundreds and thousands of messages. I can scroll for over a year here. It's just 4 days and I'm scrolling. So all of these, lots of messages were covered with ManyChat, and also I was just messaging people and making money. So that is what you do. How exactly I've made money. I've started posting content on Instagram about a topic that I'm passionate about and it has demand. It is Reels, posts, and stories, right? I do it consistently, and because I love the topic, of course it's a pleasure for me to post, so I don't get burned out as much. So people DM me, right? Or they go to my website. So if you have a website or if you can create a website, just send people here, right? So if you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, already have a website, all you need to do is just post on Instagram, use this ManyChat feature, tell people to comment to get an X. People comment you, right? And they get your lead magnet, whatever you are giving away for free. And then you either send them to your website with your ManyChat, or you just DM them and you ask them what they need help with, right? And then from your website or from your DMs, you either book a call, right? So on that call, you can just talk to these people. Hey, yeah, of course, I'm helping people with becoming healthier, right? You book the call with me. What you struggle with? Oh, I struggle with fitness, this. And you're someone that can help this person. If that's what you are creating content about, you just on that call, sell them on a solution. You tell them, send me $500 on PayPal. I will do free calls with you every month, and I will help you with that, right? We will create the plan of exercising for you. I will create the plan for diet for you, etc., right? So that's how you help this person. You see what they need help with, and then you give them the help, right? And that's how you make money. Or you can also have a product and just immediately send them the product. For example, I have a completely free community, right? So when people go to my Instagram, right? Let me open my Instagram. When people go to my profile, as you can see, I say what I have achieved. I say I help entrepreneurs make money with social media. Join my free community, so people can click it, right? And this is my mini website, right? When people, I've just set it up for free, I think, and now it's $10 a month or something. It's called Linktree. You can check it out. If you go to Howard Me, you can click here, I think, and open it for yourself. And on this website, that took me 5 minutes to set up. I told people, if you want, go on to my product, go on my free community, go and subscribe to this personal YouTube channel that you're watching right now. Book a one-on-one business call with me so I can see what problem you are looking to solve. If I can solve it, and if I'm confident I can solve it, pay me. I will make it happen for you, and we will make you successful, right? So that's what we are doing. And also follow me on Twitter, check out testimonials, chat with me, follow me on Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. So that is the exact funnel. That is exactly what I've done. Posting content. Ideas, Reels, post, stories, right? People DM you or go to your website with ManyChat or from link in bio. They book a call with you, or you send them to your product directly, and you make money. That is exactly how I've made money. And from $427,000, if you are curious to know what was my product, we had a very high ticket product, very, very expensive stuff that was helping people, which was $5,000, right? It was $5,800. For most people, and we also had different packages. Some people paid me $10,000 plus, some people paid me just a few $100s for a course, or for a program, or for access to something, to our template, something that would solve the problem for them. That's what we have done. So I've sold over 50 of those, I think, or even 60. So if you do the math, that would be over $320,000 or something like this, and additional 120 something. It's a very, very high ticket, one-on-one mentorship with me, working with me. And we also have a free community where people go and they can just learn from it, right? If you want to check it out, the link it is in the description. And in the free community, we basically help people with free courses, right? Here it is. If I open it up, you will see 1.2 thousand people inside. And when you go to Classroom, it's free courses that I've created that help people. So we even have a free community that helps people for free. And from these people, the people that want more help, they reach out to us, and then we basically sell them something, and then we help them. We make money, they are happy. That's how it all works, right? And besides that, I've also sold a couple of things that apparently is expensive, like for $20, $50, $100, whatever, like a course, a PDF, ebook, whatever, to grow people their YouTube channels, to start a faceless YouTube channel, to grow on their Instagram. The things that I've accomplished in my life that helped me make over 500K online at the age of 21, I've just helped them with different price points. So if someone wants more support, they can buy expensive stuff. If someone wants to get like support for cheaper stuff, it's $20, right? We are not selling these right now, by the way, so we are not selling anything, don't worry. But if you want to get access to my free community, as I said, the link will be in the description, where I tell you all of my strategies with step-by-step courses, templates, how to create the content, how to come up with video ideas, what to do if you're posting content on Instagram and you're making money. What product are you going to sell? Maybe you're not good at anything. How you are going to figure out what product to sell, right? So all of that I cover, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow on social media, Instagram, it's all in our free community. So that is how you do it. And if you want to basically make money with Instagram, how exactly I've done this is the whole process, guys. You pick a niche on Instagram, you start producing content, you can do it without showing your face. There are bunch of pages like that. Like if you check, let's say wealth, right? There's a page that doesn't show their face, and they've been able to grow over 10 million followers, which is ridiculous, right? In a couple of years, and they made millions of dollars. And all they do, they post stories, posts, and reels, right? About the topic that they are interested in, which is in their case motivation, news, right? Technology, and also what people want to watch. They combine it, they post stuff, and they make money from shout-outs, from doing brand deals for other people, right? From other pages pay them so they can give a shout-out to you so you can grow your own following. So all of this stuff, and they sell their own course or whatever, consulting, whatever it is in the backend that they can monetize, that's how they are making money, right? And potentially they can also sell their page for millions of dollars, by the way. At least I think for $10 million plus, they can sell this page, which is ridiculous, right? So you can start without showing your face or with showing your face, as I'm doing on Instagram, by posting reels, stories, and carousels, and reels, post, stories, and carousels, right? You try to see what's working on YouTube, on Instagram, what's getting attraction, what's working well. You just take inspiration from it, you keep doing it, and I promise you will get better with time. If you believe that I've started with being good at camera, you are wrong. Go right now and watch my first post and stories. You will be embarrassed. That's so bad, but I just started. And that's my biggest tip. You just need to start. You don't need to wait for you to be good. You need to start. You will never be enough, good enough, perfectly enough, or in the perfect scenario to start. You need to start now when you are not ready, and then with that experience and with that action that you will take, you will learn the most, right? When you want to learn how to ride a bicycle, the best way is to go and to ride that damn bicycle and to fail a couple of times and to fall, so you can understand how to do that. You don't just wait and sit and wait until you are ready to ride the bicycle, or to learn how to swim, right? Or to learn a foreign language. You just do it, and that's how you learn. Right? That is a universal principle. So all you need to do if you want to make more money, that's exactly how I've made $427,000 with Instagram. That allowed me to buy this apartment of mine. That helped me to travel to Dubai, to United States of America, help my parents financially, buy anything I want, like this computer, like things that cost thousands of dollars, right? Just live a life of freedom, because I just started the process when I wasn't ready. I've learned, I saw what's working on Instagram, I wasn't stupid. Okay, this reel worked better than this one. Let me do more of this. So I've just done that, posted more, posted better, stayed consistent. People followed me, right? Some content gets viral. People DM you with ManyChat, you automatically respond, so you don't have to spend a lot of time on that, right? They go to your product and they buy it, or they go to your free community and they get value from that and then they buy it, or they directly DM you and you say, hey, what do you need help with? You help them, you make money. Or you can also do brand deals. If you don't have a product, you can promote someone else's product. You can go and say to you are a fitness influencer, tell another fitness influencer that has a course, say, hey, do you want me to promote your course? And you can pay me money. So many ways to make money, but you just need to start, right? Start now, whenever, not when you're ready, right now. Pick up just a topic you're interested in, start posting reels, posts, and stories. People will DM you or will go to your website. Then you either book a call with them and you talk with them to see what they are struggling with, what help they need, and then you help them and you make money, or you send them directly to your product. That's exactly how I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with Instagram, right? By growing our communities, by selling it to we had paid communities that people paid us lots of money for. For example, this community, right, 76 members that paid us thousands of dollars each. And that is one way that I've made money with Instagram, by helping people, by helping them solve their problems, growing my following, and making money digitally. This is one of the best ways, in my opinion, that you can do it right now. The biggest thing that is the most important for you is to not procrastinate and to just get started. If you do it, I promise that you will get results. Trust me, you just need to start right now. You might think, oh, I know it, this is simple, this is not as complicated. No, you can do it. You can start. All that is stopping you is just the story that you tell yourself on why you can do it. That is the only thing that is stopping you. Just that story in your head, oh yeah, I can do it, but, yeah, I would do it, but, oh, when I will do it, when. These words, these blocks, this is the only thing stopping you. And if you want to achieve the dreams, if you want to scale, if you want to make more money with Instagram, whatever is your dream, the best way to get it is to just start. So please, if this inspired you, if you see that it's possible, you see that it's not fake, you can go and check my Instagram, you can check that I'm traveling, I'm spending money, I show all the proofs, right? If you go and you just see that, I can reload the page, right? This is all working, right? This is all working. You can do it too. You just need to start. Trust me. That's the whole process. And if you don't know how to start, just let me know in the comments, and I will try my best to help you, to answer you, and to make sure that you have full clarity. That's how I made money with Instagram. Hope this helped you.